In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bulleted or numbered lists in LibreOffice Writer. If you want to organize information clearly in your document, lists are one of the easiest and most useful formatting tools to use. Bulleted lists are great when the order of items does not matter, while numbered lists are helpful when you want to present steps, rankings, or anything in a specific sequence. In LibreOffice Writer, both options are quick to apply and easy to manage. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Once your document is open, click into the area where you want your list to appear. This is important because Writer will insert the list exactly where your cursor is placed, so make sure you are on the correct line or section before you continue. If you want to create a bulleted list, go to the top menu bar and find the option to toggle the unordered list. Click it to begin a standard bulleted list. If you want a different bullet appearance, click the small downward pointing arrow next to that option to choose the bullet style you prefer. This is useful if you want your document to match a certain format or simply look a little cleaner. Once the bullet list is active, type your first item. When you are done, press Enter on your keyboard. LibreOffice Writer will automatically create the next bullet for you, so you can continue typing the next item right away. Repeat this process for as many bullet points as you need. When you are finished with the list, press Enter twice. That will end the list and return you to normal text formatting. If you want to create a numbered list instead, the process is very similar. Place your cursor where you want the numbered list to begin, then look at the top menu bar for the toggle ordered list option. Click it to start a numbered list, or use the small downward pointing arrow next to it if you want to choose a different numbering style. This can be especially helpful if you need numbers, letters, or another sequence format. Now type your first list item and press Enter. Writer will automatically generate the next number in the sequence. Keep typing each item and pressing Enter to continue building the list. When you are done, press Enter twice to end the numbered list and go back to regular text. And that's it. Once you know where these list tools are, creating organized, readable content in LibreOffice Writer becomes fast and simple.